So now I'm going to text classification. Text classification, I can see here the sklearn is important library to means get some data. Okay, also we need to implement the Naive Bayes theorem, because we are actually definitely will go for some sentiment analysis also. Okay, this one is the positive levels means sentiment analysis. Good product, it is saying positive. Poor quality, negative. Excellent service, positive. Bad experience is negative. So now we will check whether this is working. Great quality should actually give us the positive. Okay, so that this is the thing that we will check. Okay, so now this is the command prompt. I am writing Python text classification dot py. Okay. Okay, this is the library problem that we need to actually check to find means proper output. Okay, fine.